What up, lads? Let's make some stuffed mushrooms with polenta. These are the things we're gonna need. We're gonna need some portobello mushrooms. We're gonna need fresh parsley. We're gonna need sun-dried tomatoes, olive oil, polenta, salt, black pepper, and vegetable stock. Take out the core, so just place your thumb like that, hold it firmly in your hand and press it like that, and you're gonna break it. So we're just taking this part out of all of them. We're doing this because I wanted to have a nice space here to, like a ladder, you know, so I can put the polenta inside. But these are not gonna go to waste. I'm gonna chop them and incorporate them in polenta. So we're gonna set this here like that. I'm gonna put some black pepper on it. Some salt. And a drizzle of olive oil. These are the mushrooms left over, so we're just gonna dice it. Just to give more flavor into the polenta and not waste this part, because there's no reason to waste it. Another thing that we can add as well to our polenta is the stalks of the parsley. So the leaves are gonna chop a few, so we're gonna use for garnish in the end, but we can use the stalks as well. I'm gonna hold all together very tight, and I'm gonna slice it the thinnest I can. Okay. Well, that's enough. I have some preheated water here. I'm gonna bring it to boil. Gonna put the veggie stock inside. Ooh. Gonna add my parsley stalks and the leftover of the mushroom here. Let's bring this to boil. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of the oil of the sun-dried tomatoes here. And then we're gonna add the polenta. We're gonna thicken. Salt, black pepper as usual. Our polenta is on the way. Our mushrooms are here, so we're gonna stuff this mushroom with polenta, and then this is gonna go into the oven. Let's taste this. So what I do is just using a spoon, I'm gonna fill up the mushrooms like that. So here you have, guys, our mushrooms are ready. They're still hot. So we're just gonna keep them like that. My oven is preheated already, 180 degrees. They're gonna go inside and they're gonna stay there until I see that this polenta is really golden and crispy. Maybe it's not a bad idea to add a little bit of olive oil on the top. Yeah. Get some extra color. Beautiful. Now into the oven. Stay there, babies. So this chopped parsley is gonna be for our garnish. I'm gonna select as well some red tomatoes to put on the top. Now we just sit and wait for the mushrooms to be ready. It's been around 20 minutes. Let's take them out of the oven.
That's hot. Look at this beauty. Mushrooms are cooked. I have some color and polenta. That's what I want. Let's plate this baby.
Really simple and easy. So we have our mushrooms here. My board, I like to use in black to have some contrast on the polenta. Chopped parsley, and our red tomatoes. So when you want to serve, let's try to get with my hands. Yeah, you can get with your hands. Just put them in line like that. 1. Beautiful. 3. Move these out of the way. How do we do? Just sprinkle some parsley on the top like that. Place some of these beauties on the top and we're ready to eat it. Moment of truth, let's see. So that's what you get. A little bit of mushroom, polenta, sun-dried tomato.
Amazing. Jeez.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down on the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand.